I feel a little bit like I am beating a dead horse when it comes to this subject, but I hear the question so often, I feel like we should make another video on this today. It is important that buyers know when they are going to buy a house, and say this is not a first time home buyer. They've got a house to sell. Maybe they bought a house a couple years ago and they just sold it 2 or 3 years ago, and they don't think they can qualify for a low down payment loan like FHA. They're wrong. FHA loans are not just for first time home buyers, they are for lots of buyers. Now, you can't have two FHA loans at the same time unless you have special circumstances. So, if you're keeping house A and it already has an FHA loan on it, and you're moving to the same area and you want another FHA loan, that would be a problem. There are some times that you can have two FHA loans, but very specific rules around it. But if you're selling house A or you've already sold house A, even if it had an FHA loan, and now you're buying the next house, you can still get that FHA 3.5% down payment loan, which comes in really handy if you've got someone that has some equity and they want to get out of debt, use that money to do some fixing up on the new house, all of the different things. You don't have to have a big, grandiose down payment the second, third, fourth time you buy a house. You still have low down payment loan options out there and available. So I want to make sure that you are out there spreading this word, because I promise I get this question at least once a week. Can I still get FHA? I'm not a first time home buyer. Yes, you absolutely can still get an FHA loan. So if you would like to make this video in your own words or use my script, remember, real estate professionals, lenders, go to Recharging with Champions. That's www.rechargingwithchampions.com, and go check out the members only site where you will find the scripts. This is going to be under November, and just make sure you go out there and share this information with your sphere. Be the guru in your market. Go get some marketing done, and we'll see you next time.